Hi, I'm Ursula Booth, and I'm a physical therapist with Team Rehabilitation Physical Therapy. So Team Rehabilitation is a physical therapy company that works with people that have injuries. Maybe they have sore necks, they've injured their back, maybe they've had surgery, maybe a knee replacement or hip replacement or back surgery. And our job is to help those individuals get back to the way they were functioning in life prior to injury or surgery. A typical day for us starts around 7 a.m. to 7 p.m., 3 days a week, 8 to 5, the other 2 days. And during that course of time, we're seeing patients all throughout the day. Usually they'll come in, they'll check in first with our patient administrative coordinator. Then from there, one of our physical therapy technicians will start them on a warm-up. Afterwards, they'll spend some time with the physical therapist where we'll do some hands-on treatment techniques, whether that's manipulating some of the muscle tissue or joint. And then just about everybody that comes to physical therapy is going to be doing some sort of exercise to develop strength, improve range of motion, get them back to doing the things they were doing before. To be a physical therapist, you need a doctorate in physical therapy to practice. So that's 4 years of your typical undergraduate degree, which will typically be some science-based career choice, and from there an additional 3 years in a doctorate level physical therapy program. Afterwards, you have to be licensed in the state that you're going to practice, and that license has to be renewed every 2 years. Education is important, but some of the soft skills that we don't think about are just as much important. How do you communicate with someone? Are you open? Can you listen? Having good listening skills is very important in the field of physical therapy. And you need to be able to build a good rapport with your patients. So you can have all of the knowledge that education allows for you to have, but some of those things like being able to communicate effectively and listen and hear your patient is just as important. And you need to have good time management skills. So you need to bring those people in, try to work with them, keep them on a timeline because your next patient may be coming in. So you need to know how to manage your time with each patient so that you don't get too overwhelmed through your day with the various people that you have to see through that day. By far the best thing I love about my job is just meeting the various people that come through our doors. And over my career, which has been about 28 years, I've met people from all walks of life. So that's just been a great thing, to meet all of these different people, and then to know that you're helping all of these different people get back to doing things that they want to do, need to do to stay living in their homes, or looking forward to do in the future. Those are some of the great things that make our job just a wonderful thing to do for your life. The specific challenges that I have seen are that insurances are paying actually less and less for the care. And so more of that cost is going off onto the individual. So that poses a challenge. You have to be wise in how you work with that individual patient so that they benefit the most from what their insurance may provide as part of their care. The advice I would give to a student who's interested in physical therapy is to definitely spend some time shadowing a physical therapist in different environments. In this environment, we do outpatient physical therapy, but in some environments you can work in a hospital, in a nursing home, in a school environment. So if a young individual can, try to spend some time shadowing a physical therapist in a lot of those different opportunities, and it will help direct how you may want to practice as a physical therapist. And it's not something you want to enter into lightly. This is a 7-year commitment usually. There's a lot of financial cost involved, and you're going to be committing a lot of your time and your parents' funds, all right, to get this degree. So be aware of that and be sure that it's something that you would like to pursue.